Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So, today is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. We're going to be using the Canuck Blueberry Collagen Essence Mask. I know I'm using the same masks a lot, but I bought this big package, and I'm going to use them. And I like them. Now, these are rinse-off masks. It says 10 to 20 minutes on clean skin, which I did. And then you rub it in after you remove the mask, and then a cool rinse. And then you put the rest of your skincare on. So that's what we do. So let's get this on. I wish the eye holes were slightly bigger. My hair's all over the place. So how's everybody's Monday going? How was your weekend? I had a very interesting start to my weekend. I won't get into it. Let's just say it involved an ambulance ride, and I'm okay. Just unexpected scariness. Alright, so we are going to open my Ink Goddess box. Oh, that feels nice. I needed that. And that's what we're going to do. Alright. Is that on? Yeah, okay. Alright, so this is Ink Goddess Creations. It is a subscription box. It's $35 a month for this box. I believe there's a choice of 2 others, and I'm not sure the cost. That includes shipping. The money comes out of your account on the 1st of each month, and the box arrives normally by the 10th of that same month. So, I already cut it open and glanced in it to make sure nothing was broken. So that is what she looks like. So you always get a card. There's all her information. Alright, so I'm going to lift that up. Oh, something fell. Of course, the cards did. Let me pause. Okay, sorry, I dropped a bunch of stuff. Alright, so first out of the box is this. It's wood. It has engravings on it. It's like a little wooden triangle shelf. It smells good. It smells like pine. So, let's see what it says. Let's put on my glasses so we can see what it says. Wooden mini shelf. This cute triangle shelf has a witchy design etched into the sides and can be used on your altar or desk to display tiny bottles, gemstones, and more. Alright. So that's what she looks like. I'll set her over there. Then we have this. It's cards. It says Nature's Remains mini deck, filled with magical knowledge about found and natural items. These cards can be pasted into your Book of Shadows or kept near your altar for informational reference. In other words, like, you find a feather. So you look up, you're out on a walk and you find a feather. And it's the air element, and the magical properties are air, messages, spiritual contact, lightness, guidance, and freedom. Magical uses, divination, meditation, cleansing, working with the air element rituals, and releasing magic. So that's cool. All right, and we have a votive. Ooh, that smells good. It's brown. This is Roots Votive Candle, a blend of vetiver, oak moss, and sandalwood to help you ground, center, and find your roots within witchcraft. So there's that. Alright, let's open. Oh, we have a baggie. Let's open the baggie. Oh. Okay. There's gemstones. It's a necklace. Mixed gemstone bottle necklace. Mixed gemstones can help you with any energetic needs you have, from protection to grounding to attracting abundance and so much more. Wear the necklace to add crystal magic to your everyday life. It's pretty, isn't it? Sorry about the horn blowing. I'm sure the driver does too. So, all right. I got something wrapped. I should bring it down a little more. It smells good. It has tape on it. All right. Oh, okay. It's an incense log. Looks like that. Put it back in the paper. Dragon Blood Sacred Smoke Log. As dragon blood amplifies positive energy and strength, the sacred smoke log cleanses and purifies the space while instilling positive energy as it burns. Used exactly as an herb bundle by lighting one side, allowing the flame to burn for a moment, blow out the flame so the smoke can cleanse the negative energy away. So that's cool. All right. All right, we have these jars in here. So we have jar number 1. And these are bubble wrapped to the gods. Alright, I can't read the writing on this. Alright, so that's what that looks like. Astragalus root jar. Astragula means neck vertebrae. So we affectionately call this root witch's bones. It's great for spiritual growth and alignment. So these are not actual bones. These are roots that look like vertebrae bones. And put it on your little wooden shelf there. So the next bottle. Okay. Enchados teeth. They're actual teeth. Okay. Enchados teeth jar. These teeth from a prehistoric marine animal are great for protection and tapping into ancient energy. Add to spell jars or bags or bury as offerings. Okay. Interesting. Then we have... I'm not going to take this out of there. It's a witch's burr. Sweet gumballs, also known as witch's burr, are perfect for setting boundaries and hex breaking. So that's what she looks like. All right, then we got two cards that talks about the witch's burr and the astragalus root and what you can do with them. So that's it for our Inked Goddess Creations box. Not sure how much of this I will use. The candle for sure. I like this. This is cute. It's a little weird, but whatever. Alright. So, I like the little cards though, because I like to know the meanings of things when I find it in nature. So, if you would like to get a box like this, go to inkedgoddess.com. And, not sponsored, but it should be, right? Anyway, this is a collab. There's going to be a playlist down below. Go on over and see what the other girls are doing. I'm going to leave this mask on for another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to do my skincare and call it a day. All right. So until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.